So I wanted to show you this. I received an email from it's at Neves Baker Roofing Company, and it is a quick online estimate tool, and I will put a link to this tool in the description box below. So you just have to check it out. It was really simple to use. I already did try for my home, but I'm going to do this for my rental. So you see how easy it is. Just type in the address and it shows up as Wildwood. That's not a problem. But it goes down there and right to the address. Well, actually, you know what? That's not my house. That's it. But it's the same roof. I'm not really going to be all that concerned about it. So how steep is your roof? That's easy to walk on. I don't have multiple stories. This is residential. While I would love a metal roof, they're not going to allow that here. So I'm picking asphalt. And I'm just going to put in 1 to 3 months. Obviously, you fill that out however you choose to do so. And I'm not interested in financing, but obviously you can check what you want. And here I'm just going to tell them tool for a video. So hopefully I don't get inundated with phone calls. Here I have to put my name and email address. Click the boxes. And get my estimate. Now this is what I received for my personal home because of course it's the same size, but you can, and it says it's an estimate. So depending on the type of product that you choose, obviously it will be more money. See, now I don't even think this is really correct. I know that's not correct. My house is 1,150 square feet. There might be a little bit more roof than living space. Well, yeah, there probably will be because they don't count the garage as livable space and we still have to put a roof on it. So that probably is accurate. You're going to go by the total area of your home and then you see what the roof with, you know, an estimate would be. So look, now somebody is maybe going to call me. All right, there you have it. If you are concerned about a roof, you can come here and get a quick estimate. I've been telling my buyers figure $1 to $1.25 a square foot, round up a little bit. So hopefully this will alleviate some of your stress when thinking about having to put on a new roof, exactly how much it is going to cost here in the Villages, Florida. Robyn Cavallaro, you can't see me because this is first thing in the morning and I'm not ready to be on camera. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. I'll see you next time.